Red Panda AI is topping AI image leaderboards, beating Midjourney in blind tests. But is it actually better? Let's break it down in under 3 minutes. What is Red Panda AI? Red Panda AI is a text to image model built on Recraft's V3 technology. Its biggest claim to fame: speed. It generates images in about 5 to 7 seconds, much faster than most competitors. It also topped the artificial analysis text to image arena, a leaderboard based on blind user votes, with a reported 72% win rate against models like Midjourney V6.1 and Flux 1.1 Pro. It's also known for crisp, accurate text rendering inside images, something most AI generators struggle with. What is Midjourney? Midjourney is the veteran here. It's been refined over years and is known for painterly, artistic, highly stylized outputs. It's popular with artists and designers who want a distinct aesthetic rather than photorealism. It runs through Discord or its own web app, and it is a paid subscription only service. Speed. Red Panda wins clearly on speed, generating in seconds versus Midjourney's typical 30 to 60 seconds render times per page. Image quality and style. This is where it gets subjective. Red Panda leans toward clean, accurate, prompt-faithful images. Great for marketing, product mockups, and text-heavy designs. Midjourney leans toward artistic flair, moody lighting, painterly textures, and a signature look many creators love. If you want realism and precision, Red Panda edges ahead. If you want art-directed style, Midjourney still holds its ground. Pricing and access. Midjourney requires a paid subscription, no free tier. Red Panda AI, via Recraft, offers free access with generous limits, making it far more accessible for beginners or casual users. Verdict. If you want speed, free access, and clean, accurate images, Red Panda AI is the better pick right now. If you want a distinct artistic style and do not mind paying, Midjourney is still worth it. That is the breakdown. Try both and let me know down below in the comments which one you prefer. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.